Hello friends, welcome back. Let us continue with the previous year gate questions. A 10-meter thick clay layer is resting over a 3-meter thick sand layer is submerged. A fill of 2-meter thick sand with unit weight 20 kilonewton meter cube is placed above the clay layer to accelerate the rate of consolidation of the clay layer. Coefficient of consolidation is given. Coefficient of volume compressibility is also given. And what they're asking us to find the settlement of the clay layer 10 years after the construction of the field, isn't it? Now, so we have to find out the settlement after the 10 years of the completion of the field. Now, if you see this question, this is the question given in the year 2020. Now, what is the given data? They have given us the coefficient of consolidation CV, that is what nothing but 9 into 10 power minus 2 meters per year. And they are given volume compressibility, let us say MV, that will be equal to 2.2 into 10 power minus 4 meters square per kilonewton. Let us recall the time factor equation. What is the time factor? TV, that can be written as CV into T divided by D square. Now let us just find out what is the time factor corresponding to the 10 years. That will be equal to CV value is nothing but a 9 into 10 power minus 2 into time is given as 10 years divided by whatever the drainage path. As it is a clay, it can drain from to both top and bottom. So total 10 by 2. That is what nothing but a 5 square. So if you solve this, how much you are getting? 0.9 divided by 25. So this value is around 0.086. If you remember, if you know the time factor, first let us just decide whether this time factor is less than the 60% or greater than the 60%. Let us assume that corresponding to this time factor 0.036. Assume that your consolidation is less than 60%. Then how can I find out the TV? That is nothing but a pi by 4 into u square. That should be equal to 0.036. Then find out the u value here based on this 0.036 divided by 0.785 under the root answer. Then if you solve this, then you are getting your consolidation is 21.4%. As this value is less than 60%, then this is the acceptable. So in the 10 years of span, how much consolidation is happening? 21.4%. That implies whatever the settlement at the end of 10 layers, that is what nothing but a 0.214 percentage into total settlement. So here if you can find out the total settlement, then the value is more than enough. So how can I find the total settlement here? Now, from the given data, now we have to find out the total settlement. What is the total settlement? Now they have given the volume compressibility. How can I write the volume compressibility? Delta H by H into change in pressure. So volume compressibility is given as how much? 2.2 into 10 power minus 4. 2.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Change in thickness is nothing but a settlement, total settlement, delta H divided by what is the thickness of the clay layer? 10 into what is the change in pressure? Now if you read the question, for fast consolidation of the settlement, now what they are doing? They are placing a fill of 2-meter thick sand with a unit weight of over the clay layer. That means what is the change in pressure? 2 into 20, 40 into 40. That implies what is your settlement happening? That is nothing but a 2.2 into 10 cap minus 4 into 10 into 40. Then here it comes as around 0.088 meters. Now what is the question they're asking? They're asking for settlement of the clay layer 10 years after the construction of the fill. In the which unit they're asking? In the mm. So let us find out. So what is the settlement? 0.214 into what is the total settlement? 0.088. So how much will get it? So if you multiply this, then you will get this value as around 0.0188 meters. So let us convert this into centimeter. 1, 2, 3. So the settlement will happen is 18.8 mm. So this is what the answer. Okay. So here, uh, depending upon the given data, we have to use the corresponding equation. Here they have given the volume compressibility. So that's why we have used the volume compressibility equation for finding the settlement, right? In the next video, let us do some more problems. Thank you.